Everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 14th of January 2024 and I will be going over the results of the third week of predictions for SPX based on the option chain analysis. Of course, this analysis, the original analysis video was made on the 7th of January 2024 for the week ending on the 12th, so please go view this video if you're unclear where it's coming from. And of course, stay tuned for our coming video, which will be posted today for this week's prediction based on the option chain. So, as covered, this prediction was made on the 7th for the weekend the 12th. Our open was 4,703.7. Prediction was that SPX goes down. Obviously, this wasn't the case, and our close was 4,783.84, giving us the highest loss we've had so far at 80 points of loss. And our weekly loss was itself 1.7%, making our cumulative PNL minus 2.48%. So obviously, it's not going super well for SPX right now. But if you go into the video for Tesla, we can see that that's not the case and we are making steady profits. So obviously, we will continue front testing this. But that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.